Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to do a mask using rice paper. This mask is actually popular in Korea and it saved money. Alright, so here is what you need. First of all, you will need a rice paper. It's really cheap. You can get it from any Asian stores or from stores that sells Vietnamese food items. Okay, here is how it looks like. And then you need a scissor as well as the liquid to soak it. Here I'm using green tea. You can actually use other liquid such as milk, honey, or even a toner, hydrating toner. Okay, and then cut the rice paper into a few zones. Okay, a few pieces. Here is what I did to mine. You have one for the forehead, one for the nose, one for the chin, as well as two for my right face and my left face. Okay, pour the liquid, which is green tea for mine, into a plate, and then take the rice paper and soak it in. Okay, here is how it looks like. It will be transparent, and then you can just put it on your face. This is how it looks like. Wait for about like 5 minutes for it to dry and remove it, and you will have a soft skin. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.